That is beautiful. Like, I would actually want to put that on my face.
You're welcome to put it on your face.
That's beautiful. Put it on my shoulder. Like, let me see how it looks as a shoulder habit. That's so cool.
That's beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Hello. This might be more fun than I think.
It's so much fun.
On a day-to-day, what highlighter and how much of it are you wearing?
Champagne pop and a lot of it. Champagne pop and Hourglass ambient lighting powder.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. I used to not like color highlights at all. And then I actually started trying them. Okay. Wow. Wow. This is my favorite thing that I've done. This texture is grossing me out. Smush!
Oh, there you go. You can put it on my arm.
Yeah, it actually looks good.
It's really nice.
It's really pretty.
That's pretty.
I'm
Okay.
making a mess all over.
This one we are calling Champagne Problems.
Champagne Problems. And the next one is Purple Nurple.
Beautiful.
Oh,
God, wow.
I live. This one is Rosé Spritz.
Love.
Oh my gosh, this one is so
That's really pretty.
pretty.
Was that our collaboration?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
I love the color of that.
We did a great job.
We're doing amazing, sweetie. This is, which one is this? Nectarine Oueen.
Yes. That's a blush. That's like a straight blush. Okay.
Absolutely.
Now, I have no beautiful nails to do this with.
Women of New York, frost yourselves. It's perfect. It's such a beautiful color.
It's really good. Okay, now we have a liquid.
Sauvigton Blanc.
Yes. Jaclyn, thank you for coming here and making these 6 beautiful highlighters with me. I feel like we're ready to take the market by storm, to be completely honest.
I have fun. Thank you for having me.
Please subscribe to the WWD YouTube channel for more videos like this.
I hope that you enjoy, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.